First thing you do when you get on set is just change. So that's why I'm always in this outfit in every one of those film vlogs. Is because this is just what I wear for the majority of the movie. Oh man, what's going on here? What is this? Oh, autographing a DVD.
Yeah, that's my first autograph ever.
Yeah, first movie, first autograph.
First time autograph anything, and it's gold, baby.
So this is where the mics actually go. We're filming. So this one of them is like inside my shirt, and it ends up right back here. That little box is.
These are the wireless receivers for the microphones that the actors will wear. I'm just turning them on, and I'm trying to figure out which tracks are active.
On channel 4?
Yep.
So if I just stay silent, it'll just go to 0, like the levels?
Yeah.
And now when I'm talking, oh, that is really cool. I can't show him the script, but like, look at this. Like, this is what we're supposed to do. This is all he added. My gosh, you guys are rewrite the movie.
He gave him a monologue. He's like, I'm getting my
want
Oscar
to forget
today, man.
But if I rewrote everything that I changed, then my whole everything would be scribble scrabble nibble dabble. You feel me?
Do me a favor. See, can we slide that? I want to slide that TV down just a little bit.
Into frame.
Yeah, slide it to your left.
You give him all the luggage. Oh my god.
Just because he is in the wheelchair don't mean he's handicapped. Tell him,
Give my man the whole.
Have you noticed that every time somebody goes vegan, they try to convert everybody else?
I'm not trying. I'm just giving out information.
So here's cauliflower chicken, vegan butter, vegan. Everything is vegan right now.
It's good to know.
Over here with Captain Curry.
This is gonna be a crazy movie. I don't even know how they found all of us idiots to put us all in the same area.
Oh, follow me on Instagram, Dynamite Dan Schmidt, aka your sister's wet dream, aka I won't go down in history, but I'll go down in your mother.
You guys aren't related, are you?
No.
I was just like yeah.
Oh, good one.
It's got like the same beard, the same glasses. It's like.
Let's go. On that establishment, come on.
Scene 40, row 6, take 5.
And action.
That's a decent rewrite though.
Yeah, it is.
Doable. And he's real milky. It's just like his colors is just contrasting.
Well, that was one hell of a rehearsal for that last scene.
I'm not gonna say I can't
gonna be
do
A1.
it though.
No, tomorrow
Bro, we can knock that bitch out. Like, quick as hell. That could be like the first thing we do.
Yeah, it's
That could be the first thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, as soon as we get here.
Be the first shot.
Bro, we worked hard today.
Long day
I'm
on set.
proud. Today was a good we were productive as shit
we
today.
knocked shit out.
Like how many scenes? Like what? 6, 7, 8? Oh my gosh.
2 goddamn.
She had that take that was like scenes 45, 46, 47, 48. I'm like, bro, all at once.
I don't even need these.